In this video, I'm going to show you how you can now get instant loans with Crypto.com. And for more information on Crypto.com, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. Crypto.com, the one-stop shop for crypto, has released lending on their exchange, meaning you can now borrow the likes of stablecoins and use your crypto as collateral without having to sell them to free up some cash. So with Crypto.com's lending, you can currently deposit the likes of CRO, Litecoin, Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral, and this list will be continually added to. By using your crypto as collateral, you can receive an instant and flexible loan with rates as low as 1% APR, although you will need to stake CRO to get the best rates available. And at present, you can borrow loans in stable cryptocurrencies, such as USDC and USDT, again hopefully with more options being added to this in the future. These loans can be repaid partially or in full at any time without any early repayment fees being incurred. With lending, both retail customers and institutions can choose loan terms that suit them and make repayments based on the corresponding initial loan-to-value or LTV ratios, and more about that during the walkthrough. The maximum duration for a loan is 12 months, plus you can borrow up to 3 outstanding loans at any time. When taking out a loan, the interest rates that you'll receive will depend on your loan-to-value rate or a higher CRO stake. Now, to use lending, Crypto.com exchange users will need to complete advanced level verification. Citizens or residents of the excluded jurisdictions listed here are unable to use lending services at this time. And both the United States and the United Kingdom are included in this list. But for now, I'm going to keep going ahead and show you how you can get a loan. And you'll need to log into the exchange. If you don't already have an account, I've got a sign-up offer in the summary below that you can take advantage of. Then head across to lending at the top of the screen here. And then go ahead to borrow now. And you'll be prompted to read their important note about lending if it's the first time accessing this section of their site. And you'll just need to tick the boxes to confirm. And you'll then be presented with the loan overview, where you can start a new loan. And in here you can enter the amount that you'd like to borrow, and the minimum borrowing amount is $100 of USDC or USDT, with a maximum of approximately 500,000 for retail users and 1 million for institutional users. So from here, you can obviously select whether or not you'd like to receive USDC or USDT. And it will then estimate the amount of collateral that you'll need to deposit. And you can select the type of crypto that you'd like to deposit from the drop-down here. Now I have a CRO balance in my spot wallet within the Crypto.com exchange, so I'm just going to select CRO now. And what it'll do is it'll then show me my associated balance at the bottom here. And I'll then need to select the initial loan to value or LTV. And LTV is the ratio of your loan to the value of your collateral. So if we're saying we're borrowing $100 here and the LTV is 50%, we'll need to put down roughly $200 in CRO as collateral. And the interest rate that you're given will depend on the LTV that you select, with 50% ratio being the highest available to me at 8%, but I can bring that down further with a higher deposit of CRO by selecting 33%. So with 33% LTV, you can see here that I'm going to get 6% interest rate. However, I can get that down even lower by choosing 25% and having a 2% interest rate. And you can get these down further, but only if you really stake very large amounts of CRO. For example, if you were to stake over 100,000 CRO, the APR will reduce to 1% instead of 2%, 4% instead of 6%, and 6% instead of 8%. And once you've selected your LTV, it will then show you your daily interest rate in the bottom here too. And if you're happy, you can click on to continue. And in here, it will show you a loan confirmation detailing the loan amount, the required collateral, the initial LTV, the margin call and the liquidation LTV, which I'm just going to explain now. So when you're borrowing from Crypto.com, you're putting some cryptocurrency down as collateral. Because of the high volatility of crypto, Crypto.com implements a margin call at 70% loan to value. meaning that if your LTV gets to this point, they're going to ask you to add some more crypto to meet the minimum coverage of your loan. And if the price reaches 85% and the margin call wasn't met, they will liquidate a portion of your assets to cover for the margin call. So just be careful and never overborrow when you're lending from these type of platforms or services. Then all you'll need to do is agree to the terms and conditions and confirm your loan. When you receive your loan, it will appear under Loans on the left-hand side of the screen here. And your interest will accrue daily based on your unpaid loan principal. And as I said earlier, you can repay your loan at any time. And if you do repay your loan before the cut-off time, a full day's interest will be charged. Now, for those of you who are familiar with Crypto.com's suite of products, you may already be aware of their crypto credit. However, Crypto.com lending is offered on the Crypto.com exchange, whilst crypto credit is available on the Crypto.com app. And it also provides more flexible metrics, catering for the needs of institutional users, and lending users can also take up to 3 active loans at any one time, which is subject to loan terms. But that's how you can now lend with Crypto.com. And I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.